Hello, Comar team. Over the last year, I've done a number of these videos talking about the challenges and implications of the coronavirus. Most of these messages have been around how we've dealt with and managed the uncontrollable implications of the pandemic. Although today's message is still about COVID-19, it's a much more positive story, and I'm confident we're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Today, I would like to share my perspective on the COVID-19 vaccine. Vaccination against viruses and other diseases improves the health and wellness of our employees, reduces absences, and hopefully will allow us to get back to normal. The company takes seriously our responsibility to provide employees with a workplace free of recognized and preventable hazards, including COVID-19. So today, I have a big ask. Although this remains 100% your choice, I would like to ask and encourage all of our employees to get vaccinated. We're seeking to maximize vaccination rates to protect our employees and their families and the broader community, as well as do our part to recover from the worldwide pandemic. To date, a number of Comar employees have already received the vaccine. Over 80% of our team members in the Cayenne plant received their first vaccine shot. Over 30% of the central corporate and engineering team have received their vaccine. And I'm excited to have found the opportunity to get my vaccine just this past week. We understand this remains 100% your choice and will not make this mandatory. But because Comar believes so strongly in the benefits of the vaccination, we want to make it as easy as possible for you. So we're providing all employees with up to 4 hours total paid time off and will guarantee no points for time you take off to get vaccinated. All you have to do is tell your supervisor and show us your vaccine card. Many employees have told us they want to get vaccinated, but they're having problems finding information and obtaining appointments. We'll be sending a letter later this week with much more specific instructions on how to find a vaccine in your area. In the meantime, if you're anxious to find a vaccine center near you, here's a few ways you can do it. First, you can just Google your state of residence and COVID vaccine. So if you work in the Houston plant, Google Georgia COVID vaccine, and it'll take you right to the site. The second way is directly with local pharmacies in your area. You can try CVS COVID vaccine, or you can Google Walgreens COVID vaccine, and it'll take you right to their sites to sign up for an appointment. One very important hint if you're signing up at CVS or Walgreens. Many employees have found appointments are posted overnight, so searching CVS or Walgreens sites around 5 a.m. will give you a much better chance of finding an available appointment near you. I'm extremely encouraged with our country's rollout of the vaccine, and I'm delighted to finally deliver a message to our organization talking about a solution and a path to return our lives to normal. I hope all of our team members find this information useful and take the time to get vaccinated. Please let your manager or HR business partner know if there's anything more we can do to help. Thank you.